Here's a KONE TMS mod KONE Traction lifter for Wesley Hospital. That Chime actually sucked deck. Take a look at the door sensors. I don't know why they're hidden. Go to P1. Cavity. See if we can get a better chime. That's better. Go to P7. And while we're at it, we may do the ThyssenKrupp on the other side. I like how it's marked in a colour next to blue. A blue Dewhurst US 95. And here's for ThyssenKrupp. Red Dewhurst US 91-15. I don't know why the down button is flickering. Here it is. That's 7.
Is this 7?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you.
That's the hospital level. We'll go up to level 10. Copy. Here's the cabinet. And that's it.